Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will update how the situation at the moment in Padma area on Padma Utara Street and also on Sahadewa Street or Garlic Lane. So if you want to know how the situation right there at the moment, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? Yeah, I hope you are fine. Okay guys, today I will update how the situation at the moment in Padma area and Garlic Lane, Bali. And our journey today start from Padma Utara Street. Yeah, now we are in Padma Utara Street. In this area on Padma Utara Street there is some nice restaurant and cafe, and also there is some hotel in this area. Are you still upside? Yeah, there is one tourist walk around on the sidewalk. Oh, there is another tourist left side walk around on the sidewalk. That's good. And actually I already updated this area a few days ago, so you can find the video down this video. You see right side? The restaurant and some people inside down there. Oh, that's really good, isn't it? You see, more shops are open, and also more restaurant and bar are open in this area. Yeah, there is some tourists standing out beside the street, and also in the restaurant there is some tourists inside down there. That's really good, isn't it? It is quite busy down there. Let's see some shop left side. Yeah, I can see like there is almost 100% the shop are open in this area, because few months ago totally they are closed. And also a few weeks ago some shops still closed in this area, but today we will see together. I'm gonna say like all the shops are open. That's really good, isn't it? On this video I make video around 8 minutes without skip, start from Padma Utara Street until Sahadewa or Garlic Lane. Okay guys, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video, because there is a lot of people around the world, they're missing Bali for sure, and they are want to know the update situation at the moment in Bali and also in Padma area. So don't forget to hit the bell, because I will always update the new station in Bali, so you will not miss any new video from Bali travel vlog. You see cafe left side? They are open and look a bit quiet. Yeah, usually in this restaurant will be busy during the night time. Yeah, there is some car parking at the front of the hotel. That's really good. Bali is getting busier and getting more tourists come to Bali now. I hope this video will give you earned information, the update situation in Bali at the moment, because in this video I will show you the real station at the moment in Padma area and Garlic Lane, because this video without skip. You see left side and right side? Yeah, there is more shop are open also in this area. That's really good. Oh, there is some shops still closed left side. But you see left side, there is more tourists walk around on the sidewalk. And left side there is Y bar. Oh, there is a lot of tourists inside. I gonna say like all the chair is full with the tourists in Y bar. That's really good. Okay, some shop in this area, they are open, and some tourists walk around on the sidewalk to do some shopping. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment in Padma Utara Street. So what do you think? Yeah, there is more tourists in this area, isn't it? And also there is more tourists in cafe and bar. Just good. Okay, you see at the front? There is also a nice restaurant and some tourists inside down there. Now you see, there is some tourists walk around on the sidewalk. It is quite busy, isn't it? As I told you on this video, I also will update how the situation at the moment on Garlic Lane or on Sahadewa Street. Yeah, now we turn right and we will update how the situation at the moment on Sahadewa Street or Garlic Lane. And also day by day in Garlic Lane there is more shops are open, but there is a few shops still closed also in this area. You see right side? Yeah, there is some shop still closed. left side, there is some tourists walk around on the sidewalk and they are doing some shopping. And also on the right side, yeah, there is some tourists in bar and restaurant. That's just good. Oh, there is another shop still closed. But you see right side and left side, yeah, there is some tourists walk around on the sidewalk. That's just really good, isn't it? Yeah, there is art market and some tourists inside down there. It is quite busy in this area now. It's better and better than before. I mean, than a few days ago. Okay, now we continue driving on Sahadewa Street or Garlic Lane. Yeah, there is one restaurant and some tourists inside. Oh, there is another tourist walk around on the sidewalk. Yeah, I mean like, it's like something new in Bali. Because before the pandemic, I mean, there is a lot of tourists walk around on the sidewalk. But now, they step by step, this area is getting busier. Because few months ago, still like about 3 months ago, in this area still very quiet. And all the shops still closed. But now they are open. It's just really good, isn't it? Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment in Garlic Lane. So what do you think? It is quite busier, isn't it? Yeah, I also will update how the situation in this area during the night time, because there is one request from my viewer. They want to know the update situation in this area during the night time. And for sure, I will update Padma area and Garlic Lane during the night time. Okay guys, from Garlic Lane I will turn left and I will show you a little bit how the situation at the moment on Melasti Street, because Melasti Street also the famous street in this area. Yeah, we can see from here there is more tourists walk around on the sidewalk and it is look quite busier. That's just really good. Okay guys, now we are on Melasti Street. Yeah, in this area there is some hotel and also art market. We will see together how busy in the art market area. Yeah, there is some tourists walk around on the sidewalk right side. That's just really good. Left side there is art market and some tourists in there also. See right side and left side? Yeah, there is more tourists walk around on the sidewalk. It looks so busy in this area, isn't it? Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment in Padma area and Garlic Lane and Melasti Street. So, what do you think? It is getting busier, isn't it? That's just really good. Okay guys, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment, also you can share this video. Thank you very much for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.